Good morning, and you're welcome to your business on the Morning Rave show. My name is Tunde Oyelowo. Today, we'll be looking at how to grow your business using the social media, owing to the fact that everywhere today, everywhere you face is always about social media, is always about promoting your business on social media. We have in the studios to discuss this interesting matter, Victor Anyanwu.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How do we get to promote your business? As a small business owner, we always find it difficult to get your business to the right people using social media. What are the difficulties, or why is it so difficult to do that?
Okay. Thank you again for having me. People spend a lot of time on social media now, right? Social media is like the new TV. It's like the new way to spend time. You're watching football match, but you're on social media commenting about the football match. You're watching something on BB Nigeria, but you're on social media looking at what people are saying and responding. So that's where people are actually spending their time. So businesses now try to be where those people are, right? You can't be selling something and nobody knows. So you want to be where people are. So if people are on social media, you should be on social media too, talking about your product so that they get to know you and all of that. The problems that they might have would usually be maybe while they are there, they are not talking to the right audience. Right?
Okay.
If somebody is selling akara, for example, and the person goes on social media and is talking about akara, if the person is talking to me, right, I might not like akara. Right? So if you are talking to me and you just keep talking and talking and talking, and I don't like akara, you understand? So I won't be interested. You get what I'm saying? So the first thing would be, getting the right audience, getting the people that actually want to consume what they have to sell. I think that's where the major issue is. Rather than just be on every platform, find the platform that your audience is on, where they are already, be there too.
Okay, now we have various social media platforms.
Yeah.
There's a Twitter, there is Instagram, there is Facebook, and for Facebook we have over 2 billion, Instagram over 1 billion, and the likes. How do I get my space, and how do I recognize where my customers are of all these various platforms?
Okay. Generally, Facebook is a collection of several different types of people, right? We have 2 billion people, at least. Now, those 2 billion people, they want different things, okay? Now, to find out if your customer is there, okay, you can do, just go through the feeds, do a little survey, check out what people are talking about. If it connects with what I usually advise for some is, you can set up some type of listening or monitoring system, right? If you are interested, let's say you sell milk, for example, and maybe somebody's complaining about milk or complaining about something that they had that wasn't very nice and stuff like that. If you are listening out for things like that, okay, that concern you, and you find out and you're putting up all those searches and you're searching and you see people talking about those, people talking about that thing may actually be people that would consume it too. You understand? Right? So you can use that to find people that are interested. One. Two, Facebook has, how will I put it now? Facebook records online behavior. Okay? So if you are people that visit certain types of pages, people that consume certain types of content, Facebook knows. All right? If you are Bet Naija now, for example, or you are any of all these sports betting, maybe Naija Bet and all of that, you want to find people that are interested in betting. People that consume a lot of football content, either maybe they visit football pages, they comment on football topics or football videos and all of that. They might be interested in what you are selling, might be interested in betting and all of that. So finding out where they are, where they hang out, right? Facebook already knows that online behavior. So you can run ads, you can do all of that and pick out these audiences. Yes.
Okay, can you do a cascade of how am I supposed to gain entry into the social media space, selling what I have like step-by-step guide, for small business owner, entrepreneurs who are trying to get their stuff out there.
Okay. First thing, identify, those that would actually have need for your product. All right? Somebody that has a need, somebody that is willing to pay you, somebody that can pay you. Right? So identify those people. Where are they? Where would they be spending their time? Okay? You have to now be where they are. Okay? Then you have to pick your own goals and see how you want to sell this product. This person wants this solution. Where does your product and their solutions meet?
Is that number two? Number one is identify who needs your product.
Yes.
Now the second one is
finding a way to that your product and what they want.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. All right. I might want to drink water. Okay, but maybe not just any water. I want cold water.
Okay.
All right. I might want to drink. I might want to take a drink, but maybe not alcohol. All right. Probably just soft drink.
Yeah.
You understand? So I might have that need. Okay, that you can solve, right? But I might not want it the exact way you are providing it.
Okay.
You understand? So you just have to find the people that would want it that way. So what you want is to sell.
You find a connection.
Exactly. So where what they want is solutions. So where it meets. You understand?
Wouldn't it be nice that you find out what your customer wants first?
Yes.
Before you create your product or create a specification to meet their own need.
Yes, that works. If you find out what they want, then you can create a product.
Okay.
Or if you have something that you've created already or a product that you created already, find those who would need it or who would make use of it.
Okay.
Right? And you can do all of that online.
Okay.
Yes.
So, in other words, those are the two basic things you are meant to do to actually get your own space in the social media.
Yes.
Number one, identify your customers, who your audience are, who are going to buy your product.
Yes.
Number
two,
two,
where they are.
And where they are.
Yes.
Then number two is to find a connection between the product you created or you're creating and the solution that your audiences are requesting for.
Yes.
Great.
Then number three is try to make it easy for them. Be as visible as possible.
Accessibility.
Yes. Be as visible as possible.
Okay.
Right? Anywhere that they would likely be there, right? They make it easy for them to reach you. So people might go online and say, no DMs, WhatsApp only. That may be the only method or the fast way for those customers to reach you. So I always advise, as much as possible, understand the fastest way for them, and just keep it open. If it's DM, well and good. If it's WhatsApp, well and good. Okay. Right. So if you've done these three, you should be able to get your customers.
So what major challenges that that many businesses online are facing, but yet don't know how to solve? What is it that you have discovered as an expert that that these are the basic problems they are facing, but they are yet to solve it?
First, I think they talk to everybody.
Okay.
It's good to talk to one person. All right, solve a solution. Solve a problem. Right, solve a problem. Somebody wants to buy a pen. This person might want to buy a pen because he just wants to put it in his, coat pocket, so that it looks nice. This other person might want to buy a pen because he actually wants to write. You understand what I'm saying? So if you're selling a pen that you just want the person to buy because you want the person to write, and you're selling it to this guy that wants a pen for this, he won't be buying it. You understand? So you need to find, those things and hit those solutions. Yes. Okay. All right. So find the person. I think people just talk to everybody. Just see everybody. See, it's online. They put the picture online. Say whatever you want to say online. So they just go and put up everything. I think people need to be more targeted. Right. Talk to specific people. 1. 2. Organic reach is dead online. So, man, add some dollars. Pay some money. Pay some money, add some dollars. Organic reach is really low. Right? You won't be getting people to see a lot of the value that you're pushing out. You might be pushing out lots of value, but nobody's seeing it. Okay? So add some dollars to it.
That's run an ad.
run an ad,
Okay.
right? That's another problem. Then interact, all right? Be social. It's social media, all right? So be social.
So you have to
Talk to
keep
people. Yes.
putting content out there.
You are
People
putting
will
out content, you are talking to people, you are engaging with people. Somebody is saying, oh, I really like what you talked about today. Say, oh, thank you very much. What did you
Reply.
learn from it?
Oh,
You know,
good.
have it's a conversation. Most times people think it's just one-way traffic. I'm
Pictures,
talking at somebody.
just images.
Yes. So it's a conversation. Right? The person asks a question, you respond. The person asks, a following question, you respond, keep the conversations going. Those are the things I really think that people should concentrate on. If they do that, they'll make their way.
Okay, on a final note, let's talk about the issue of pricing. Does it really have any advantage putting my stuff online? Do I have a pricing advantage? Do I sell better at a higher price because my product is online? Is there?
Well, I think pricing is, depends on the brand, depends on the company, whatever you want to do. Okay, you can take your product and price it differently. You can decide not to price it differently. So, but it doesn't really matter. It just depends on you. Some people make it more expensive because they say, oh, we've paid for ads, we've paid for this, we've paid for that. Some people make it not so expensive. It might be really cheap for some, and they say, oh yes, we just feel that that's the way we want to use to pull in people to get to know us. We're trying to get into the market.
It could be a market entry strategy.
Yes. So it all depends on the brand. I don't think there's any particular advantage over putting on and not putting.
Thank you so much for coming on the show.
Pleasure.
As we come your way next week, up next is newspaper review brought to you by MTN.